Hey, what's up, guys? This is Ernest Delane with Mixed Light Productions with another quick tip for you DJs out there. What's up, guys? This is a quick tip to help you guys improve your look and readiness for many of the events that you do out there as a mobile DJ. I recommend picking up two tables, one being a 4-foot table and one being a 6-foot table. A 4-foot table like this one will be great for venues that of course are tight, such as maybe some bars, restaurants. Perhaps you may do something in someone's home and you don't have enough room for a 6-foot table. This will work out just great to set up your equipment. For some of the larger venues, the 6-foot table, because sometimes you'll run into an event where they don't provide you a table. You assume that they would, but the 6-foot table, of course, is going to work out great for you. In addition to picking up the table, I recommend picking up your own tablecloth. This tablecloth I picked up online for about $15. Both of the tables that I've showed you, the 6-foot and the 4-foot table, both ran around $50 each, and you can find them at most major retailers. Something that I highly recommend is a table runner. This table runner I picked up on Amazon for a little under $40. This one is made out of polyester, very durable, and the fabric hangs beautifully. You can of course put it on your table, on someone else's table, hang it over a banister, and it gives a great impression with all of your information. The table's a little too low for you, you need some more height. Well, you have a road case. Most of you guys anyways. Your road case is going to give you an extra 6-7 inches of height. I'm 6'1", and my road case with a banquet height table gives me adequate height to work. Well, that's my quick tip for today. If you enjoyed it, please hit like. Also, please hit subscribe so you'll be notified when we add more tips and tricks for you DJs out there. Thanks for watching.